Yesterday, Vivo held the launch event for its latest flagship phones, the Vivo X100 and X100 Pro, both equipped with the newly introduced Dimensity 9300 chipset. Notably, in December 2022, the brand unveiled three smartphones, the Vivo X90, X90 Pro, and X90 Pro Plus. However, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus was conspicuously absent from the launch alongside the X100 and X100 Pro. While unconfirmed reports had suggested the possibility of the X100 Pro Plus being cancelled, a recent Weibo post by Tipster Digital Chat Station reveals new information regarding its debut in China. While the X100 and X100 Pro have the MediaTek 9300 chip, whereas the X100 Pro Plus is rumored to come equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The decision to delay the launch of the X100 Pro Plus could be a strategic move by Vivo to avoid cannibalizing the X100 and X100 Pro sales. By introducing the X100 Pro Plus after a sufficient time gap, Vivo may aim to maximize the individual appeal of each model and cater to different segments of the market with their distinct features and specifications. According to DCS, Vivo executives have confirmed the existence of the X100 Pro Plus, but have not yet decided a release date. It is speculated to debut in the first half of 2024, after the Oppo Find X7 Pro and Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which are said to launch in the first quarter of the year. The tipster added that the X100 Pro Plus is expected to launch within 6 months of the X100 Pro. Reports have claimed that the X100 Pro Plus will have a customized 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, which may offer up to 10x optical zoom. As per other reports, it will have a 50-megapixel LYT900 main camera, a 50-megapixel IMX798 ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel IMX758 portrait lens. The device may offer the same display, battery, and charging capabilities as the X100 Pro.